यो वेदंस, क्या हाल चाल, कैसे चल रहा है एग्ज़ाम्स। आज सीबीएसई 12th बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं और हम आ चुके हैं फ्रीडम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल HSR लेआउट बैंगलोर में बच्चों को पूछने के लिए कि उनका एग्ज़ाम्स कैसा रहे और उनका पेपर कैसा रहा, डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल एक्सेट्रा सब कुछ पूछेंगे आज। अभी चलिए।
My name is Bhargav.
Shrashti.
Indrajit. Ayush.
My name is Shafia.
My name is Roshni.
We have Srishti with us who has just given the physics exam and come. Let's ask how was the exam. How was the exam, ma'am?
It was lengthy and it was very hard.
Okay.
I found section C particularly hard and section A wasn't easy either.
It wasn't easy. So there are juniors who will be giving exams next year. What will be the one suggestion would you like to give them?
All the best.
Sir, what would you like to say to the juniors who will be writing exams next year?
Just do well, be calm during the exam. Don't worry about anything else. Just stop studying at least one day before the exam to be calm.
That's a great information you have got. And ma'am, for next exam, all the very best and I hope you do the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey guys, we have another candidate here who has given a physics CBSE exam. So guys, how was your paper?
It was a bit lengthy and I just finished right on time. And the questions weren't direct. If you know the concepts in depth, then it was pretty easy.
और पेपर अच्छा था. It was easy. मैंने टाइम से थोड़ा सा पहले ख़त्म कर लिया था, but चेकिंग करने के लिए उतना टाइम नहीं मिला.
Revision, did you guys get time for revision?
No, not me. I just finished right on time.
I got a little bit time. That's it.
Okay, so did you guys study any book or only NCERT?
Actually, I didn't touch NCERT. I used the Arihant guide. So
I went with the NCERT.
Okay guys, so you have seen Vedantu channel, Neat Made Easy.
yeah, I even took some tips and help from Gaurav sir and Amir sir.
Okay, and
I watches, but not very much.
okay, so you prefer NCERT?
Yeah, I still prefer NCERT.
Okay, so guys, the juniors are watching this who will be writing the exam next year. What would you like to suggest them?
First of all, don't waste the entire year and wait for the last moment to study, the last month and regret. So that's what we all did. So that regret comes in the end. So maybe to avoid that, just start studying from the first itself and pave the way.
और आप भाई आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं अपने
Solve the papers. That's the main thing. And follow NCERT. It's the best. That's it.
Cool. Thank you so much, guys. All the best for your next exam. Please watch Vedantu Neat Made Easy channel. Will help you in the next chemistry exam where Arvind sir will be teaching you a lot of tips and tricks and all. It will help you. All the best and see you on chemistry exam day. Thanks. Hey guys, we have another student here who is already subscribed and is a regular watcher of Vedantu. Let's ask how was her paper. Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Roshni.
Roshni. Oh, so Roshni ma'am, how was the paper?
The paper was lengthy, but it was fine.
Okay. So did you study NCERT only or did you have any other books?
No, I studied NCERT along with Vedanta notes.
Wow, that's great. So there are future kids who will be writing or next generation, your juniors will be writing the exam next year. Any suggestion you would like to give them?
Learn from the start. Do not keep it to the end moment.
Okay.
Be attentive in your classes and go through other reference books also.
Okay, guys, so you'll have to prepare accordingly and as Roshni ma'am said, you'll have to go accordingly and plan yourself so that you crack exam very easily. So thank you so much ma'am. Thank you.
My name is Bhargav.
Okay. तो कैसा रहा एग्जाम आपका?
एग्ज़ाम तो मतलब उतना इजी भी नहीं, उतना मतलब हार्ड भी नहीं, मॉडरेट था.
Okay.
और मतलब मुझे लगा कि पेपर थोड़ा लेंथी था. इसके लिए
Okay.
मेरा मतलब जब मैं पेपर स्टार्ट किया था तो मैंने सेक्शन बी से स्टार्ट किया था. और सब कुछ कंप्लीट करने के बाद मैं सेक्शन ए पे चला गया था. और सेक्शन ए में मेरा 3-4 क्वेश्चन बच गया.
Okay.
सो इसकी वजह से मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा लेंथी था पेपर.
Okay. Compared to last year, इस साल का पेपर आपको कैसे लगा?
मतलब जब मैं लास्ट ईयर पेपर किया था मतलब कुछ उतना मतलब डिफरेंस नहीं लगा मुझे. मतलब थोड़ा इजी था इस साल का पेपर मुझे.
It was easy, moderate or tough?
ओके, काइंड ऑफ इजी.
Kind of easy. Okay. So your the future generation or the next year juniors who will be writing the exam in the next year, they are watching you right now. So any suggestion you would like to give them for their exams which will help them out?
The best suggestion can I give is that please actually practice sample question papers.
Okay.
And also do previous year questions. That's the best thing which we can do for getting good marks in board examination.
You suggest any other book rather than NCERT or only NCERT?
NCRT and Arihant publications.
Okay, thank you so much. Hey guys, we have another candidate here who has given her exam. Let's ask how was the exam, and firstly, ma'am, your name, please.
My name is Shafia.
Shafia. Okay, Shafia, how was the exam? How was the paper?
It was okay. It was quite lengthy.
Okay.
So I would suggest that all of the people who are going to appear for the exam should manage their time really well
Okay.
and not like spend more time on like small questions and
Mm-hmm.
devote that time to numericals.
Okay. So, ma'am, how was the paper? Like numericals and theory, how were the difficulty level of
It was a moderate paper.
derivations and
Derivations were quite easy.
quite easy? So, did you?
Predictable derivation.
So, you studied only the NCRT or any other book you had?
I studied exam idea
Exam idea.
for
okay.
extra questions. That's it.
Okay. So, there are juniors watching who will be writing exam next year. One suggestion, what would you like?
I would like to say that throughout the year, keep practicing your derivations because if you try to do it before the exam, you kind of forget.
Okay.
Like 1 week or 2 weeks
Mhm.
before the exam, if you try to do it, you'll forget.
Okay. So, you're suggesting that they should plan accordingly and. Sir, what suggestion would you like to give to parents or the students who will be writing the exam next year?
Just give them mental support
Okay.
and always be with them in their hard time.
Okay, that's a great motivation a parent can give is stand together, stand with them, stand behind them so that they have confidence that my parents are standing behind. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you. सो गाइज ये थे सारे बच्चे जिन्होंने आज CBSE 12th बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम दिया हुआ है. होप आप सबको इन सब के सजेशंस और आइडियाज़ या फिर उनका जो एग्ज़ाम कैसे चला ये आपको हेल्प करेगा. जूनियर्स आपको स्पेशली हेल्प करेगा और आपको आइडियाज़ बूस्ट करेगा कि आपको एग्ज़ाम कैसे देना है. सो गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू वेदांतु नीट मेड इजी. यो.